In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a hyperlink in your Google Docs document. So hyperlink is basically a piece of text, usually a piece of text that you can click and it will lead you to a different page or a different document. So it's very useful to give an extra navigation on your document. So to add that, you must first select on the text that you want to apply a hyperlink. Let's say I'm going to apply hyperlink for this particular text. I'm going to just select that. After that, you can go to on this icon that's called insert link, and you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and K. Now after that, you will have the option to just paste the link that you might have copied before, or you can also just direct it to a different document in your account. That is possible, and interestingly, Google Docs sometimes will recommend some external link from the web that is probably relevant to the text that you're selecting. So I'm going to just choose that option. I'm going to click on this website, and yeah, now the hyperlink has been created. But usually it will give you this blue link, which is probably kind of out of place with this green theme of the document. So I'm going to change the font color of this item. I'm going to select on text color and change the color to this one. Right, of course you have also the option to change the size, change the style of the text, the alignment, and many other styles that you can apply for this hyperlink. So essentially this is like a regular text and it can be treated that way. So anyway, that's how you can apply or add hyperlink in your Google Docs document. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.